Welcome back. And today I'm very excited to introduce our longest and hardest pistol drill. And we call it Appalachian drill. And this drill has everything in it. So first, you have to shoot a 6 small Coke bottle shape and side steels at 7 yards. And next, you have to shoot 3 balloons with left hand at 5 yards. And next, we have to stand behind the barricade, shooting 3-inch steels at 7 and 10 yards with one hand. And lastly, we have to triple tap 3 steels at 5 yards, double tap 3 steels at 30 yards, and single tap 3 steels at 40 yards. And it's total of 31 hits, so you gotta make every shot count. But first, let's take a look at the walkthrough. 삐 폈을 때 와서 꽂고 이거 옆에 줘야 되지.
네.
와서 꽂고 빰빰빰빰빰빰빰 하고 빼서 바꾸고 어디 갔어? 빰빰 하고 이거 와서 바꾸고 빰빰 하고 와서 빰빰빰 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 빰빰 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 끝이야. 쉽지 않겠다. 총 안 쏘는데 숨차. First it was Chris, and again he shot like a pro. 계속해 그냥.
Woo! 34 rounds, 32-24.
1 second 한 발씩만 친 거네. And second, it was my turn, and obviously I need more practice, but I was grateful that I was able to finish the drill.
가세요.
Okay.
Time?
Okay. 39 shots, 67.36.
Okay. So after the course, I want to give you my honest opinion. Now, first of all, shooting with my left hand, this was my first time. And finding the red dot wasn't easy as I thought it would be. And second, I had no idea I'd be out of breath that fast. And trying to shoot a 30 and 40 yard steals was much harder than I anticipated. But after finishing this course, I feel like my skills and understanding of my pistol and my shooting in different distance has improved immensely. See ya.